Hi guys, Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Hopefully you would have seen Taslima up first from Taslima Maya Art. After me we have Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and last but not least, Tony and Kat, the Hippy Dippy Painter Men. So, stay on board and enjoy the ride. So, I've got one of these wooden flower cutouts that I've made up. It's about yay big. 12, 13 inch, something like that. It's got black pillow paint down, which is interior black paint. I've got a little shot glass full of bloom colours, all in neons. And I've put them in the cup, higgledy-piggledy, and I'm just going to pour them out and see what happens. Just for a bit of fun today. So I'll probably put some music on this bit, so you don't have to listen to me waffle. Okie dokie. That looks pretty cool. What I'm going to do is spin that out. Rather than tilt and stretch and do all those things, we'll give that a spin and see where it takes us. What I want to do is try and get it as close to the middle as possible. And just spin it right out as far as I can get it. Yeah, it's looking pretty even. Not too bad, not too bad. I'll move it across a little bit. Alright, that looks cool. Now what I might do is put a couple of little palette knife swipes through here, just to finish it off. So I'll pop that up. Alright, so I might use a little palette knife. And I'll go Amsterdam Lamp Black with Aussie Flow Trolling. It's roughly about 4:1, I think, from memory. So what I'll do is, so we've got our little palette knife. Where is it? There it is, top corner. Put some cell activator on that. Then we'll use some of these neon colours that I used in the cup for our little swipes. So I'll go with neon purple, go with a neon pink, and neon blue. Okay, like that. Just do little swipes here and there. Put some blue on, some pink, and a bit of purple. Through there. What I'm doing is changing the order as I put them down. So the first one was purple, pink and blue. So now I might go pink, purple, blue. Through there. Yeah, there's some blue, purple, then pink, like that. Purple, pink, and blue. Okay. All right. Put that there. I'll put the lids on these things so I don't make a big mess everywhere, because guaranteed I'm going to knock them over. Wombat's clumsy. And put the lid on that one. Cool. I'm going to grab my little skewer wherever I've put that. Good question. It's all good. Got to back up. Alright, so So this entire thing is just all neon pigments. There's no tube paints, no nothing in there. It's just all neons mixed with my usual bloom recipe. Alright, what we'll do is just give this a bit of a scrape down here. Get rid of some of this black. Black's awesome, but it makes a huge mess compared to white. Alright, we'll lift that one up. Give it another little spin. Go for the middle. Just to open those swipes out a little bit. Don't need to go too fast with it. It'll all open up. Oh, that's cool. Alright, pop that one up. And we end up with that. What I'll do is I'll do a flyover of it so you can see it a little bit better. So what I'll do with this one is, once that's dry, I'll probably use this one for another embellishment project, where I either draw a fish or a frog or something crazy on it. So I think that'd make an awesome background for an embellishment project. Don't forget, always wipe underneath. Pop any bubbles. And we are done. Alright guys, hopefully you liked that. If you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Kristey is up next. So if you click on her name in the title of this video, it'll take you directly to her YouTube channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the links that I put in there. It'll take you to the next person along the express as we go. And if you're a member of my Facebook group, Paint Pouring by Venom Fluid Art, just click on the playlist link that I put in there each week and it will take you through everybody on the express, one after another, without searching for links or anything like that. Alright guys, have a good one. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.